in line 3 it says, Prahasya Sadayam Gopir. Sadayam Gopir. So what is this word gopi? Gopi, obviously, we know in the translation, it's telling us that, they want to give class, I guess. Smiling upon hearing these humble, despondent words from the Braja Gopis, Yogeshwareshwara Sri Krishna mercifully enjoyed with them, although he's Atmaram. So Gopis in line 3, so Jiva Goswami Pad, true to his rasic, transcendental, pure, premic nature, he says the word gopi is also included in the mantra used to worship, and thus it indicates that Krishna's gopis are his eternal lovers, and thus it's not astonishing that he enjoyed with them. This is very interesting, very deep and profound argument against the Gnostics and Pashandis and offenders to Krishna Lila. Many materialists who have no adhikar understanding, they say that Krishna's Lila is immoral or irreligious. But here, Jiva Goswami is using a very fine point of argument, that in this verse the word gopi is there. And it's said that Krishna's Shugamuni is saying Krishna is Atmaram, but he danced with gopi. Gopi means a cowherd girl, one who milks the cows and takes care of the cows. A gopi, gao pi. So they're connected to the cows. And specifically they're abiras. There's a vast difference in consciousness, a vast difference in realization between a Braja Gopi and an Atmaram Muni. So Krishna is the supreme of all yogis and the greatest of all Atmaram Munis, Bhagavan himself. Yet he's attracted to and he enjoys with and he dances the entire night away with these humble village girls. So Jiva Goswami says, this word gopi establishes their supreme transcendental and eternal position. Because in the mantra that's used to worship Bhagavan Sri Krishna by all Vaishnavas without exception, even by those Vaishnavas who don't even accept Krishna's leelas with the gopis, they themselves are chanting a Diksha mantra which is Nityam. The mantra is Nityam because the object of the Diksha mantra is Nityam. When you're worshipping Krishna, who is the supreme, eternal, absolute Satchidananda Brahman, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, when you're worshipping the eternal Bhagavan, then you need a mantra that's eternal. So in this mantra, it's called Krishna mantra. That mantra is everywhere. That mantra is in the Upanishads. And the Upanishads are the supreme reference, the supreme praman for all Vedic wisdom. The Upanishads are the mother of all Vedic wisdom. If it's in the Upanishads, it's irrefutable. You can twist it or interpret it in different ways, but if it's there, you have to reckon with it. You have to reconcile what it means. So in the Upanishads, one of the most important of the hundreds and thousands of Upanishads is the Gopal Tapani Upanishad. There's 108, which are the essence and the cream of all the Upanishads, and the Gopal Tapani Upanishad is in that 108. It's number 64. So in the Gopal Tapani Upanishad, it contains this mantra, Klim Krishnaya, like this, and it says, Gopi Jana Valavaya. So the word Gopi is in that mantra, the word Gopi is in this verse 10:29-42, and therefore Jiva Goswami makes a connection to prove that the word Krishna is accepting gopis, because eternally Krishna is connected with gopis, and the proof that Krishna is eternally connected with the gopis, and the proof that Krishna is not dancing with the gopi wives of some cowherd girls, is the fact that this mantra to worship that same Krishna is contained in the Upanishads, which have the same word gopi, which indicates his eternal beloveds, the Vallavas, Gopi Jana Vallabha. Sri Krishna Gopi Jana Vallavaya ki jai.